Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can hide caller ID on your iPhone. Please subscribe to our channel, put your likes, write comments, and let's get started. Let's say that if you don't want the person you're calling to recognize your number, then you can easily turn that off. To do this, I'll show you how to do it. To do this, we will need to go to the phone settings. Once you've found your phone settings, you scroll down and you find the phone section. Then you scroll down here as well, and you'll find Show My Caller ID. Press. If you have multiple SIM cards, let's say 2, then you'll be able to select the SIM card first that you want to configure this feature on. And then you'll be taken to a page like this, where, as you can see, this feature is enabled by default. And in order to disable it, you just need to click on this button. And then you'll have the option to hide your caller ID. That's how easy you can do it on your iPhone to hide caller ID. Hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to put your likes, be sure to write comments, subscribe to our channel. See you later.